Samsung's Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus are 2017's excellent Android flagships, but new leaks point at new Galaxy S9 design. News update: Samsung Galaxy S9 case renders point to thrilling modifications. As the year draws to a near, we've our first glimpse of what to anticipate with Samsung's Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Leaked renders from case producer Olazar endorse that each the fingerprint reader and rear digital camera arrangement will alternate slightly from the preceding attempt. With the S9, the fingerprint reader is now located under the rear digicam, as opposed to the right. Likewise, the S9 Plus also advantages from the brand new fingerprint reader placement, however additionally appears to be going the twin camera path, much like with Samsung's Galaxy Note S8. Samsung truly has a tough mission ahead of them. Apple's fantastic iPhone X has hit the cabinets, and Google's top-tier Pixel 2 handset gives the pleasant smartphone camera we've got ever visible. Samsung faces stiff competition from its very own Type 2. Considering the S8 and S8 Plus have each visible drastic charge discounts due to the fact their launch, we anticipate them to similarly drop in charge with the launch of the S9 and S9 Plus, making them a good tastier proposition. Here's all you want to realize: approximately Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus handsets, which include United Kingdom launch date, charge, specs, design, and capabilities. Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus UK fee: how a good deal will they cost? Around £700 for the S9 and £800 for S9 Plus. The Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus released at each £679 and £779 when they first released, and it's exceedingly not likely that the S9 and its plus-sized alternative may be plenty cheaper, if at all. The Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus had been a huge achievement at its asking charge, so Samsung has no purpose to reduce the price of the S9. What's extra? It's very uncommon to look a producer lessen the price of a brand new handset. Commonly, the RRP just spirals upwards with every new release. Right here's searching at U1 Plus.